When a manager steps away, a question lingers. Will the team keep moving forward, or stall in place? The first days are marked by hesitation. No one wants to claim authority. Priorities blur. Simple decisions hang unresolved. Momentum slows, not because people can't act, but because no one knows who should. Then, something changes. One voice steps up to clarify. Others follow. Updates start flowing. Leadership doesn't arrive with a title, it emerges from initiative. And when it does, accountability spreads with it. By the week's end, the team no longer waits for direction. They act, align, and deliver. Not because the manager returned, but because shared responsibility replaced reliance. Autonomy proves itself not as absence of control, but as presence of trust. The strongest teams don't collapse when the leader steps back. They adapt, they rise, and they show that resilience isn't commanded from the top, it's cultivated within.